The 2013 racing season's right around the corner. Have you got your car polished up and ready for the track yet? If you're like us, chances are the dash of your race car could use a little work. While functional, markers and tape are not a great way to label the switch panel on your race car. Help is on the way with our brand new carbon fiber switch panels. Made from real carbon fiber, our dash panels are lightweight, stylish, and functional. They are made just for mini sprints with a power switch, a fuel switch, and a starter button. We also offer individual panels for your wing slider and fan switch. Because our panels are so light, it's not necessary to drill any additional holes for rivets or screws to hold the panel to the dash. The nut and threaded barrel of the switch are all that is required to fasten the switch panel to the dash. For more information on our carbon fiber switch panels, be sure to visit one of the retailers that carries our product, including Speed Parts at www.speedparts.com and Speedway Motors at www.speedwaymotors.com.